Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Jamaican fast bowler Krishmar Santokie says he feels disrespected about not being drafted for the 2020 season of the Caribbean Premier League. The 35-year-old is the second highest wicket taker in the history of the competition. Here's Simon Preston.
Over the past 7 seasons of the CPL, Santokie has taken 85 wickets in 58 games. Only Dwayne Bravo has taken more with 97 wickets. Santokie has also been in the team of the season on 3 occasions from 2013 to 2015. If there are no injuries or players dropping out, this would be the first season the Clarendon native would be absent from the competition. Santokie doesn't feel he has been treated well.
No matter how much I perform, the results still always the same. They don't treat us like players who perform consistently and who deserve certain respect and deserve to be treated like your performance. With the draft situation, if you check the history, I've never get picked for over 50,000, and you have a lot of players who haven't done half as much as I did and getting picked for 80, 70, 100,000, you name it.
Santokie has not returned to his best economy rate of 6.22 since 2013, but the former West Indies limited overs player maintains that his waning economy rate shouldn't be a deciding factor for selection.
If you still look at my economy rate compared to others, mine is still better than most of them with more wickets. So even if it is increasing, I'm still doing a pretty good job. What you must understand, batters game improving, and batters have learned more how to score or to play T20 cricket. You can't really judge a bowler by that because Bravo economy rate more than mine. They are the fast bowlers. Is either we in the same area or they're more than me.
Santokie, who has played for the Guyana Amazon Warriors, the St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots, the St. Lucia Zooks and the Jamaica Tallawahs, says he's particularly disappointed with his home franchise.
It's more worse to know that, you own Jamaica franchise. Don't really appreciate it because, if I am by stats one of the better T20 bowler in the Caribbean, but yet still Jamaica refuse to pick your year in, year out. And even if they do pick you, they put no value on you. So what do you expect other countries to do? If your own can put you down like that, what do you expect others to really do?
Santokie, who has also had stints in the Indian Premier League, the Bangladesh Premier League, the Masters Champions League and the T10 League, is still hopeful of getting an opportunity this season.
Well, we always have hopes, because at the end of the day, this is what we do, this is our life, You just try to stay in the best frame of mind possible, just in case, something come your way. So I'm always up for it.
The 2020 season of the CPL is set to run from August 18 to September 10 in Trinidad and Tobago. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.